Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 3 of our Lost Generation class. I'm Professor Hall, and we are continuing to examine Winesburg, Ohio by Sherwood Anderson. Now, this is sort of based on a town that he lived in Ohio, not necessarily Winesburg itself, but I found a great video of someone who really, I think, because of the book, wanted to give you a little tour of the real Winesburg, Ohio. And it's only a couple minutes, and it's optional, but I recommend it. Why? Because it's not exceptional. It is just a small town. And I think that that's part of the point here, that even in a small town, it doesn't have to be New York, it doesn't have to be Hollywood, it doesn't have to be Paris. We still can have huge moral questions and people going through these emotional moments and points of crisis and all of that. So this week you're going to have a discussion forum. I ask first some things that you learned from the lectures. You have another one to watch this week, again, from another professor. So I think it'll be interesting for us to kind of discuss what we pulled from there, what you liked best, or what you thought was wrong, or what you thought was the most applicable that helped you learn something about this book. Which character would you most like to interview? Think about who these characters are. I think each one of these stories is more or less a character sketch where we see somebody going through a particular moment or a little bit of a period of time, and that kind of thing. So there are other questions too, but those are the two I'm particularly interested in reading your thoughts about, and I can't wait to see what you have to say. And this is our last week in this book. It is, I think, kind of an easy one to start with because the stories are shorter and kind of straightforward a little bit. And that's it. I can't wait to read what we have to say and participate in your discussion forum with you. Thanks, everyone.